Toast is very popular in Korea, but I can't say it is typical European style. When I was a little, my mom used to pack a lunchbox for me, and toast was on her schedule at least twice in a week. I think because it is simple to cook in the early morning and easy to get rid of hunger. For this reason, in front of underground station or bus stop, kimbap and Korean toast are top sales menus. Bacon egg toast is simply rolled up by bacon. Egg and jam are adding its flavor. Today's recipe is simple. 4 slices of bread, 2 cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 6 bacons, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons strawberry jam, and 1 teaspoon parsley. Are you ready to cook with me?